DeVito, if that is your real name. The shirt stays here.
Cut mistress said you got dumped by your guy too. I know. I do astrology, and I can tell what kindred souls we do. We're too much for our.
So, are you ever gonna put on a shirt?
So you used Bill up every time it happens to him?
I was just doing what you told me and following the most successful person. Now that's Rico. And he said, step in for a second. The great hairstylist. Don't you see? Don't you care? That he is great. It's just the way he was born. It's in his DNA. Now hair does not know gay from straight. It just wants to be loved. Shouldn't we all be more like hair? I know I wish.
High five. High five. No. Cover. Good job. Down. No. Sit. Down. Down. Cross. Cross. Good girl.
Figures this is the one place they're not burning incense. Stay in school.
Go get them.
You know, Ranger Bradley, the First Amendment guarantees the hippies the right to be here. But as Bobby was pointing out, does it guarantee them the right to be